Welcome, Vikings. Your mission this week, should you choose to accept it, is the Week 2 Project 2 Group Prototype Assignment. Let's check it out. So this project is going to be in a group, and it's basically you working together to complete a Google Drive assignment. Let's take a look at it. If you click on the assignment, it's going to show this. You need to put each one of your group members' names in here. And what are we doing? You're going to brainstorm to create a prototype of a solution to a problem that you have. We've all got problems, and hopefully technology can help you to solve those problems. Sometimes technology creates more problems than it actually gives, than it solves, so hopefully that isn't what happens with this. Our project procedure is going to be the following. You're going to want to work together to think about your problems and your solutions, and you want to divide up the work in a way that's comfortable for each of your group members. You're also going to be asked to confirm that each group member contributed fairly to the project, so freeloaders will not be rewarded for doing nothing. Make sure that you don't just lie for somebody to make sure that they get credit, because you're really not rewarding them. It would be the same as though you didn't want to house train your pet because you felt bad for it, and so you just let it dookie in your bed. All right, so that said, let's see what we got here. 5 points. Each group member is going to come up with 3 problems that each group member would currently like to solve. We all have different problems. Some of us want to solve world hunger. Some of us just want to grow an afro. Or some of us want to be able to see through walls. There's different problems that we have, and maybe we would like to solve those problems. So first we have to come up with 3 problems. Each person should come up with a problem that they have in their life. It could be something funny. It could be something real. It could be something realistic. Who knows? Maybe your road to your PhD dissertation will start from identifying a problem in this assignment, and then later on you actually develop a solution to that problem, and your lifelong journey can start now. Or perhaps you just want to earn 5 points. Could be either way. So you're going to put down your group members' names. You're going to list your 3 problems. And they can be personal problems, or they can be problems in the world, problems that you just want to solve. Technology is all about solving problems. So put down some problems here. Brainstorm with your group. The next part is you're going to collectively choose one of these problems and discuss the solutions for solving that problem with some kind of technology. That's where it comes in. So don't just put, oh, I just need more money and all my problems are solved. It's not quite what I'm asking for. We're talking about technology. So if you have some type of problem and you would like some type of solution, perhaps we can engineer that solution with technology. That's what this course is all about. You want to be creative and imaginative. So if I wanted to grow an afro, perhaps I could develop some type of device that I put on my head, and it would change the way that my hair grows into an afro. Nothing is impossible. Shout out to Max if you're watching this. That was one of Max's problems that he wanted solved. So you want to list out your problem that you're going to solve, that your group has decided on. Then you're going to come up with 3 possible solutions. So your group should think about 3 different solutions. One of them can be a joke solution, perhaps, something that's funny. But you want to also come up with things that could possibly be within the realm of possibility, I suppose. Logistic possibility. Science fiction allows for anything, but think of something that might actually be possible and try it. When I say nothing is impossible, I simply mean that solutions can come from very strange places. And so you want to think abstractly, perhaps. All right, lastly, after you're done with that, you can earn 10 points if you create a presentable explanation of your solution and how you would pitch that idea to people who could fund your solution and make it into a reality. If any of you have seen the movie or the TV show Shark Tank, essentially there's people who come in and a team pitches an idea, and people who have the resources and capital in order to make that idea a reality might actually take up the idea and then employ those people into making it a reality. So this could be something useful for you. You want to use 3 paragraphs and at least 3 different graphics to pitch your prototype. In paragraph 1, you want to explain the problem that you wish to solve and why it should be solved. In paragraph 2, you want to introduce how your solution will address that problem. And in paragraph 3, you want to end with a call to action and explain how your solution could improve the lives of people. This will be shared and reviewed on the next Wednesday class, so make sure you create a good presentation, make it seem pretty polished. My suggestion is that you use your group members in the way to best bring out their talents. If you have 3 people who are okay at writing, maybe they could each write 1 paragraph. You tell them, all right, you do paragraph 1, I'll do paragraph 2, and then this person will do paragraph 3. Alternatively, you can have somebody do graphics, you can have somebody do writing, and then you can have somebody do presentation, something along those lines. You want to split up your project so that way it doesn't feel like one person is doing all the work. Really, this project is all about sharing a document in Google Drive and how you can work collaboratively with others over the internet, because you're not going to see them directly, so there's not going to be the issue of face-to-face collaboration. So when we're in our discussion groups, when we're in our breakout rooms, this is what you'll be doing. In order to share your project, when one person opens this group project drive, you only have to have one person turn in the document. Make sure that everybody's names are on it. Make sure you comment when you submit the assignment that each of the members' names, so that way I can give them all the score that they deserve. To share the document, you go up here to the top right to share. Click on that. And then from here, you can, if you're in a breakout room, you can simply copy the link and paste it from this position. Or you can get everybody's W number, their student number, and then you can just type that in and you can put a number in here. So if I wanted to give this to Ariana here, from there I can make sure you make them an editor so they can actually change the document. If you make them a viewer or commenter, they're not able to change it or add anything to it. Then you click send. Those people can then go to their email, their school email, and they will be able to see that they were shared this document and they can edit it. Alternatively, if they don't go to their email, they could go to their Google Drive and they should see something in their shared with me documents that lists this document that you shared with them. So that's what you're doing for Project 2. I hope that you have fun with this project. Once again, it's more about being able to work collaboratively. Should you want to work on this project solo, like you just cannot seem to get a group that actually does the work, you can, but just keep in mind that you're going to be doing 4 times the work, 3 times the work possibly. So it's just a lot more work. It's much easier if we split it up, and that's kind of the point of this assignment, is to show how collaborative work can be done in very little time. And there will be other people that have more interesting ideas to problems, and there will be other people that perhaps have solutions to those problems that you would have never thought of. So that's really the power of collaboration, is that different minds will come up with different ideas and solutions and problems even. So you might have never thought of the problem of growing an afro, but then maybe you become a millionaire off of that solution to that problem because somebody else gave you the problem and you work together with them on the solution. All right, everybody. I hope that you have fun with this.